Hey everybody, just reporting a mystery boom sound in London. Thousands were woken up by a massive sonic boom which shook houses in the capital in the country. It says thousands of London and home countries were woken up by the massive bang sound. They're describing it as a RAF fighter or something like that. But I'm not really sure. But by talking about a lot of people being woken up by that, and there's actually a footage and recording of the sound of the large boom sound that was woken up by them. They described it as a booming sonic boom type of sound that went for about 10 minutes. So here's more information. The large bang vibration that shook our blocks and flats looks like people were hurtled, and London felt hurt too. What is that boom sound? It's a sonic noise that was created. The shook waves created by the flying object travel faster than the speed of light. There's the key right there. The shock waves created by flying object passing by like a speed of light that woken up a lot of people.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.